guys, I think I'm gonna come here every morning for jogging. It's such a beautiful place. Imagine when everything is gonna be green here. It's gonna be wonderful. And I live across the road, so it's not far away at all. And this is me. I can do it. Promise I can do it. Smoothie is done. Have lots of spinach here. Living la vida loca. This is so healthy and so tasty. And I'm super tired, but I need to take a shower now. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. I'm still tired, I don't know. I want to apply this, how is it called? Chica cream. It's a leave-in treatment for my hair. I love using it so much. I think I have to buy another one because this one it's almost done. I'm using it each time I'm showering, each time I'm washing my hair. It's so good. I had the chance to tell you, but I've placed an order on Cult Beauty and it just arrived. I'm super excited to start using these products. Actually, I should better say that I'm super excited to start using one of the products because the other one, I basically already have it and I love it so much, so I ordered it in a bigger size. Usually I'm doing like this when I have products that I didn't try by now and I'm not really sure about them, especially when it comes to skincare products. I order them in a travel size and only after that I go for the full size. So the skincare product that I've ordered is this one from Paula's Choice. Is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, has salicylic acid. It's good for all skin types, and basically this is the product that helped me so much with improving the skin. I don't know how good you can see how my skin looks like, but it's definitely in such a better condition comparing the previous months, and I've been using this one every day, only in the evenings, and make sure you apply SPF in the mornings. You can use it both in the mornings and in the evenings as well, but I find that it's too strong for me, too strong for my skin. It gets quite sensitive. And the other product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Oh my god, can't tell you how excited I am. Finally, I put my hands on this product. I see so many reviews everywhere, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. Everyone is in love with it. And as you may know, or you might not know this, I have very stubborn eyebrows, and the only product that was good for me was the soap, the hand soap. Basically it was the only thing that basically fixed my eyebrows, and they stayed like that all day long. So I'm super excited to give this a try to see if it's worth the hype, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description as well if you guys want to have a look and see my review for this product. Myself a coffee now, just in case you didn't notice the mess that it's here and over there. I'm gonna show you better right now. Basically, these are the products, some of the products that I received in this month, and these are all PR products. Unfortunately, I didn't have the chance to organize everything, and that's the reason there is such a mess here. So I'm planning to do this in the next coming days. In the same time, I want to select some of the products that I'm basically not using and see if they can go to a better place, to a better home. So I already started to separate all the stuff that I have here, and I'm talking about makeup products. And to be honest, I have the feeling that I'm not gonna finish today, but I still want to do it because it's such a mess everywhere.
Here's a coffee so that you can have some energy.
Oh,
Maybe you can finish it today.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too. I might be finishing with the makeup stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna finish with the rest of them. But still, guys, you will see all the organization tips in today's video. Now I have to change the battery because my camera is gonna be dead very soon. If I'm not gonna do that, then I'm coming back in a second. Back, and we have battery this time. It always happening like this. In one of those best moments, boom, there is no battery. So let me show you how it looks like by now. I tried to separate them a little bit and basically keep all the products that I want to use, or I am using, or I'm gonna be using in the future. And also I tried to bring 2 boxes, which one of them is already filled with the products that are empty, so I might be doing an empty series very soon. And I wanted to show you that I bought these makeup organizers from Amazon, which I think they are super good to have, and I can't wait to organize everything and put everything in place. I have to be honest with you, it's not like I was expecting to have that many products suddenly. I was hoping since forever for this, but I don't know, something happened lately and lots of brands reach out to me, and basically I received lots of products to test them out and to review them, and this makes me insanely happy because this was one of my dreams and it basically happened. It became reality. So having the chance to work with some of the brands that I loved since forever. For me, it's huge. It's insanely huge. And I know that I got here thanks to your support and thanks to your love, and I can't thank you enough, honestly. I don't know if everyone could understand the feeling. I'm working so hard for this. I'm working to create so much content and actually to create quality content for you, and this type of content has to be something that I also love, because otherwise I can't put it out there for you guys. And it's a lot, it's so much to do. I wasn't expecting to be that much, but I still want to do it, you know. And when I see you guys basically sending me messages and supporting me and liking, sharing, commenting to each of my posts on Instagram and hopefully here as well on YouTube, I'm like, this is more than I could ask for, you know. This is happiness at that level. Believe that I almost finished. This is how everything looks like by now. It's quite good. It's better than it used to be before. Here I have all the concealers. I'm not sure if that's the right place for them, because I want to have easy access to all the products that I'm basically using very often, and yeah, I will see. I will decide on that. And also I have here some of the makeup palettes which I'm using most often, so I said that I want to have them very close to me, close to my workspace. And also I decided to put here, just to have easy access, but because I'm not using them very often, all the products for tanning and some nail products as well. I hope so much that one day I will live in such a big, I don't know, flat or house, and I will have my own room where I will have enough space for all these beauties. I think I dreamed to have a dressing room since forever, and then I moved to London, so yes, perfectly fine. I think I've almost done, or at least I've done for today with the makeup stuff, with the beauty stuff. I also organized the skincare in the meantime, and now I want to move on with the kitchen, which is gonna be so much work to do, but I want to finish everything today, even though it's quite late. And I just realized that I didn't have lunch, but it's fine. We have enough time to eat as well. Let me show you how I did the skincare. Still have some makeup, so basically these are some of the eyelashes that I'm using very often. Then I have some pigments, eye pigments, which I definitely love so much using. Then I have some of the skincare products right over here, and some of the hair products as well. Then more skincare here, and I think skincare again. And I think, what else? This one doesn't have anything, and here I have some hair tools. By the way, I want to use this thing tonight. I don't know how should I call it. Basically, you have to put your hair on this, and you will have curled hair in the morning. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to have a look on their site on Etsy. We are in the kitchen now. I don't know about you, but we have this type of drawers. Let me show you. This one, where it's such a mess all the time. There are all kind of stuff, and it's impossible sometimes to find everything that we are looking for. Anything, everything. So I bought something, let me show you, from Amazon. This type of dividers, which are very handy, very good to have, because they are adjustable. Let me put the camera right over here and show you. Basically, you can adjust the length, and I find that it's such a good quality. I found some of them, I found some others similar to these ones, but it's not the same quality. And I also love the fact that they have something here. I don't know how it's called, but this is basically gonna protect the furniture a little bit. Okay, now let's do this, you know, let's put everything in place. I'm so excited because I've been waiting since forever. I don't know why it took me so long to order them. Again, I don't remember the price, but everything will be linked in the description of this video below, so have a look and enjoy your shopping. So much how it looks like, and I want to show you. Ready, steady, go! I mean, that's a huge difference, right? Finally, I can find easily everything I'm looking for in this drawer, and let's move on with the next ones. Is this one? Is the one where we basically keep all the spices, all the condiments, just because we are a family who loves to eat all the food very condimented is the word. I don't know if this is the right word. I ordered this. So I hope that is gonna look nice, because I also have ordered something else. This beautiful jars. This is how they look like. They are so cute and so sweet, and can't wait to put all the stuff inside, all the spices inside. And they also sent these beautiful labels, so you basically can write down the name of them, so it's gonna be easy to find them and to know what is in each and every jar. We have to wait a little bit now because I forgot to wash them, and only in a couple of hours I will be able to do this. Please don't laugh. I want to show you the next thing that I want to do, and is this cupboard with all of these mugs and glasses, and I just need more space. And I bought one of these little things, and now I'm waiting for my super handsome husband to help me with it. Okay, so you basically need to put it like this, but you also have to fix it right over there. They already sent everything I need to fix it. Look at him! You are ready to do the job, yeah?
Let's see anything here.
Oh. Okay, he found a better solution. So he removed everything.
So we're gonna put it like this.
Oh my god.
The correct side, right?
Vroom. The dishwasher just finished now, and honestly, I'm too tired. I can't do the rest of the things, so I'm gonna be doing them tomorrow. My husband here...
Thumbs up for tomorrow.
Yeah, totally agrees with me. So excited for tomorrow. And this, it's waiting here alone for now. Good morning. It's such a beautiful sunny day finally again, and it's Friday. I mean, what can be better than this? I did my makeup yesterday on stories, and I've used this little thing from Milk. Come on, get focused. I've used it for the first time. I don't know the name of it. It says Lip Plus Cheek. It's basically 2-in-1 blush and lips, and it's so good. I mean, just look how beautiful it is. I don't know if you can actually see, but it looks so nice on the lips. Such a beautiful finish, and it feels so lightweight on the lips. And it also feels super hydrating. It's gonna be a busy day today. Marius is already in meetings, and I said that I want to finish with my little jars because they finally smell nice this time, and I want to label all of them, and after that put all the spices, and that's all. I basically finished with organizing all the stuff that I wanted to organize this week. This is how they look like. I'm so happy with the result. So happy, and I hope that my husband will be happy as well, because he's the one who is quite picky when it comes to his spices. But I'm quite happy because everything gets so organized and it's looking so good. What do you think about spices? What do you think about how I organized the spices?
They look amazing.
You didn't even see them.
I did. It's like on 3 layers.
Ah.
They look really good.
When did you see
I
them?
feel like cooking now.
Oh yeah?
I'm using them. Well, actually, I feel like looking at you cooking.
That's it, guys. That's all for today's vlog. See you next time. Mwah!
Over and out.